going on, everyone? My name is Taizhier. I'm a young professional from New York. I just want to give a big shout out to DJ, the money coach. I had a consultation call with him, and it was amazing. I learned about so many things from him.
And everybody, this is DJ, the money coach, coming with the protege.
We out here, sunny day in Houston, Texas.
You know what? This young man here, 23, getting the work in. He came down to visit DJ, the money coach, and see what it's really like. And he's finding out that the POM POM lifestyle is real. Ain't that right?
Yes, sir. 100% real. Out here, future's possible. Anything's possible.
We're actually just spreading, the movement, baby. It can't be stopped. Is that right, Taizhier? It can't be stopped, baby.
Ain't no stopping us now.
That's right. We on the move.
We on the move.
So, 4 dirty little words. You know it. Discipline. Accountability. Plug into the 7 spheres of money. And do the what?
Work.
All you got to do is hit that link right now. Come to the master class, and we'll get you free.